Hi everyone. So today I like to share a few of the findings related to speech to text and text to speech. So there are a lot of articles and blogs already existing. So since I started exploring on this part, I like to share few of the details related to this. So I have built a screen flow. So the implementation is something like I have a screen flow. So where I first record audio and pass it to the screen flow. There I have an action. So that action converts this speech to a text. So the transcript is shown in another screen. So once the transcript is confirmed, we are passing the transcript to an agent. So that run agent will, based on the transcript request, it will fetch the details from the agent and it will show in another one screen where I will show the agent response. Once the agent response is present, I want to convert that agent response to a audio. So there we are using text to speech. So from that audio in another screen, I'm playing the audio. So let me quickly walk through the demo. So in the first screen, I'm having the audio record. So this is an LWC component which I built for recording the audio. Get the contacts and opportunities related to test account. So now my audio got press stored. Play. Get the contacts and opportunities related to test account. So the audio seems to be fine. Let me save the audio. So audio file saved successfully. Let me click on view transcript. So get the contacts and opportunities related to test account. So this is what I have said. So let me proceed. So I got the agent response. So for the account test account, here are the related contacts and opportunities. So this is the contact associated with that account, and these are the opportunity details that are present in that account. So let me go to that account and I'll show you. Let's go. So it's account test account I have. So under test account, I have more than test contact. So one of the contact is present, only one opportunity is present. So those details are getting displayed. On the test account, this is the contact and this is the opportunity. So I don't want to do any further details. I want to convert this to audio. So click on convert to audio. So it's loading. So now I got the audio. So let me play the audio.
For the account test account, here are the related contacts and opportunities. Contact. Name. Mohan Test. Contact opportunity. Name. Mohan Test opportunity. Stage. Qualification. Close date 2026 to 08 to 12. Probability 10%. Type. Existing customer. Upgrade. Would you like more details about any specific contact or opportunity, or do you need information on another account?
So now it has been shown as a audio. So let me walk through the implementation. So this is an agent which I used to convert the transcript information to a agent response. So in this agent, I'm passing the account name. Based on the account name, I'm getting the contact and opportunity details. So apart from agent, coming to the main screen flow. So as I mentioned, we have a first screen where we have the audio recorder LWC component. So from the LWC component, so I'm getting the output as a content version ID. So from the content version ID, I'm getting the content document. So I'm getting the entire record of content version where the content document ID will be present. So we have a standard speech to text action. So this is a standard action which is available in this flows. So I've used that action and I am passing the content document ID and the transcription model. So then by default, this model is available. So you can test it out with this model itself. So speech to text action. So here my speech is converted into a text. We have the output as converted text. The converted text is shown under the next screen. So once after the text is confirmed, based on the speech, the text has been correctly displayed, then I'm proceeding with this agent. So as I already discussed, based on the account name, I'm getting the contacts and opportunity details. So here the converted text is in the user intent. So based on the user intent, the details are correctly fetched and displaying. So here I'm passing the converted text and I'm getting the agent response. So the agent response will be in the JSON format. I want to convert into a structured way, and from that I want a specific parameters alone. I don't want all the parameters. So here I'm passing the agent response, and these are the output resources which I'm getting. So in that I specifically want message alone. So after getting the message, I'm displaying in another one screen the message what I got. So once the message is valid, I want to convert that message to a speech. So we have another one standard action in flow, text to speech action. So for that we need to pass the text which we want to convert it as a speech, and the file output we want, then we need to mark it as true. So these are by default present. So you can leave as it is, and it will provide as a converted audio. So the converted audio is nothing but the content version ID. So based on the content version ID, you can get the entire record. After that, I have another one LWC to just play the audio. So where I'm passing the content version ID along with the version data URL to play this audio. So this is the implementation part. So coming to the documentation. So this is the convert speech to text action in Flow Builder. So we need to pass two inputs. One is content document ID and a transcription model, and the output which we get is the converted text. So there are certain limitations which are present in this. So the actions is subject to invocation limits per minute. So there are certain limitations present. I can add this document to the post. You can verify those limitations. So coming to this text to speech also, we have certain limitations. So this text to speech involves flex credit consumption. So I can see like this action consumes flexi credit to digital wallet based on the applicable rate card. So I'll add these two articles under the post. You can refer this. So if you have any questions or anything related to this, you can mention in the comments. Thank you.